Hi, this is Stan Scher, editor for Automotive Internet Sales and president of Dealer Retraining. I got a question to ask you. Why are you not on AutomotiveInternetSales.com? Do you sell cars using the internet in your dealership? Are you involved in different marketing strategies in your dealership? Or maybe even your sales processes? We know that over 80 to 90% of customers go online before they step foot into a dealership. So is your dealership ready? If they're not, you should check out AutomotiveInternetSales.com. Why? Well, that's very simple. There's a lot of different professionals on that site, ranging from dealer principals, general managers, to frontline people like BDC reps, internet sales managers, coordinators, and even sales consultants. We have service people on this website. This is a great networking tool for you to pick up best practices. If you're new to the business, you should definitely be on that site because you'll pick up some ideas that other people in your dealership might not have, and then maybe you can get your whole dealership to sign up. It's a free tool. We're not charging you to be a member of this website. All we want is for you to network with dealerships all over the country and help make the industry a better place. I, for one, I'm proud to be an editor of this website because I'm all about helping the dealership. So please visit AutomotiveInternetSales.com and become a member. And even put some content up. If you have questions, contact me directly. If you have any kind of questions at all, if you want to submit content, videos, pictures, blogs, you're more than welcome to. It's all about helping the industry and networking with your fellow peers. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you at AutomotiveInternetSales.com.